what's up guys? It's DJ Brooks coming with another video. Today I got the transmission mount. It actually came in about 2 days ago, and just got a chance to actually open it up. And I'm gonna open it with you guys on here, and we're gonna look at it just because I have actually never seen one of these, and I'm sure there's some people on here that's probably never seen one either. So I wanted to go ahead and share that with you guys in case you might need one in the future. So without further ado, I'm gonna go ahead and peel this bad boy open. And of course, I didn't bring a knife. I probably should have. I wanna make this quick so you guys can see it. I did order this online from Summit. It's made by G-Force for the G-Force crossmember for the 480 in the swap. So, all right, so this is it. This is pretty much all it came with. I'm sure these are the directions. I'll go over that with you guys in a minute. So basically, what it looks like here is you get some adjustment. You can turn this around, this part right here. You take this, slide it, and your transmission, this bolts into the crossmember, and your transmission mount is gonna sit on here. And basically, there's a bushing in here. So that's gonna take in all the, the bumps and stuff like that to keep the transmission solid. But you can slide it all the way forward that way, or slide it all the way back this way, and then turn around and flip it, take the bolts out, flip it around, and it can go that way as well. You just turn it and go that way. So you get several inches of adjustment here. I'll probably be using it to go forward because my engine and transmission are going forward. I'm gonna take this real quick. So as you guys can see here, on my build in particular, the engine and transmission sit quite a bit forward. I did that so I could keep the AC box and everything, even though I did kind of bruise it up a little bit. I just ended up patching that. But because of that, I'll need to use this to make sure I get my transmission mounted properly. And there's the adjustment, another look at that. And then these two bolts will just go into the cross member. All right, guys, so that's pretty much it. It's a short video. I'll probably get another video of doing the install, but I wanted to show you guys that because I had never seen one before. I didn't even know it existed until I called G-Force and I was telling them that I needed to figure something out. So that's it, guys. If you like the video, you like the content, if you're able to learn something, or if it helped you out on your build, feel free to go ahead and like the video. If you want to see more, go ahead and subscribe. If you got any questions or any concerns or any advice for me, just go ahead and leave it in the comment section, and I'll do my best to get back with you as soon as possible. All right, peace.